Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today I have some Nyco Everpine. Unknown pine oil content, but there's the active ingredients. And it's got quite the extensive label. There's the website information. Well, let's see what this stuff will do. Let's go over to the cloud cam and see if we get any clouding out of this product. And as a reminder, this is a light traffic floor. Just need to remove some dust from it. And my 1/8 cup per gallon is quite adequate to do that. So here we go. Kind of got that amberish flavor, color flavor. No clouds. It is kind of a chemical situation. Kind of got a pine flavor. Actually not bad. Not exactly traditional, but not that fake pine sol scent that we have now. Well, let's go back over to the floor cam and get started cleaning. As usual, I'll go over the floor twice, rinsing the mop out in this solution right here between rounds. Let's get started. Round one. And round one is completed. Kind of got a nice fresh, slightly pine scent in the room now. Round two. And looks like that did a lovely job. And we'll tidy that little bit up there. Here's a look at the water after. Did pick up the dust, just like it was supposed to do. Not a bad product to have in the lineup. So once again, cleaning the floor with Nyco Everpine. One-stop disinfectant and deodorant. Thank you for watching.